Good day everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly click on subscribe button. Today, I will show you another method that is the simplest method to differentiate this expression with respect to x. So let's get started. I have solution. So all you need to do is to differentiate this expression as a whole expression. Then you write whatever you have inside your brackets. Then you factorize everything. So how do I mean? If I want to differentiate this as a whole expression, I have 2 into bracket. If I differentiate x squared, this will give me 2x minus. So I want to differentiate 1 over x. So 1 over x simply means x raised to power 1 minus 1. So to differentiate x raised to power minus 1, it shows that you take minus 1 to the left hand side, then you have x raised to power minus 1 minus 1, which simply means x raised to power minus 1 minus 1. Close this. So then you rewrite whatever you have inside the bracket out again. So this shows that you have x squared minus 1 over x. So then we need to factorize this. After we are able to factorize this, then we are done. So let's factorize this. We have 2 into bracket 2x minus times minus, this will give us plus. So with x raised by minus 2. So into bracket x squared minus 1 over x. So let's use 2 to open our bracket. So we have 2 into bracket. Before we do that, let's expand these two brackets. So we have 2x multiplied by x raised to power 2. So from law of indices, it shows that we have 2x raised to power 1 plus 2. So 2x multiplied by minus 1 over x. This will be plus times minus, that's minus 2x divided by x. So plus x is power minus 2 multiplied by x is power 2. So this simply means plus x is power minus 2 plus 2. So plus times minus, this will give us minus x is power minus 2 multiplied by minus 1 over x. This will give us 1 over x is power 3. So to simplify this, we have 2 into bracket 2x is power 3 minus this x cancel this x. We have minus 2 plus x is power minus 2 plus 2. This minus 2 plus 2 will give us 1. Will give us 0. So any number is power 0 will give us 1. So plus 1 minus 1 over x is power 3. So if I use these two to open the bracket, I have 2 times 2. This will give us 4x raised to power 3. So this is minus 2 plus 1. This will give us minus 1. So times 2, that's minus 2 times 1, that will give us 2 divided by x plus 1. You can leave your answer like this and you can decide to factorize out 2. So if you decide to factorize out 2, you have 2 into bracket x, 2 into bracket 2x is by 3 minus 1 minus 1 over x is by 3. So thank you for watching this video. If you like my tutorial, kindly click on subscribe button to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to turn on notification for my upcoming tutorials. Thank you.